In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a report from Expensify. Whether you're managing your own expenses or overseeing a team, learning how to effectively download reports can streamline your administrative tasks. Let's dive right into the process and make it as seamless as possible. To begin, make sure you're logged into your Expensify workspace. Once you've navigated to the main dashboard, you'll want to locate the Reports menu. This menu is your gateway to all your expense reports, providing an organized view of each one. After accessing the Reports menu, click on the sub-menu also labeled Reports. By moving through these menus, you're effectively narrowing down your focus, allowing you to manage your reports more efficiently. Now, with the reports open in front of you, it's time to select the specific record you want to download. This step is crucial as it identifies the exact report you'll be focusing on. After you've made your selection, your next action is to click on View. The View option allows you to examine the finer details of the report, ensuring it contains all the necessary information before you proceed with downloading it. With the report open, you'll see a More button. Click on this to reveal a drop-down with additional options. This button often holds the key to functions that aren't readily visible, like downloading options. Select Download as PDF from the drop-down list. PDFs are a great format for sharing because they're universally readable and print-friendly. Finally, you'll notice a Download button will appear, often indicated by a pop-up. Click on this Download button. Once clicked, the report will automatically download, saving directly to your computer's default download folder. This automatic saving feature ensures easy access without the hassle of manually designating a save location each time. And there you have it. Your report is now securely downloaded and stored on your computer, ready to be emailed, archived, or printed as needed. This process, while straightforward, is essential for maintaining an organized record of all your expense-related documents. If you encounter any issues along the way, don't hesitate to revisit these steps or consult Expensify's support for clarification. Practice a couple of times, and you'll find that downloading reports becomes a quick and easy part of your routine. Thanks for joining this tutorial, and with a bit of practice, you'll be navigating and downloading reports on Expensify like a pro in no time. Stay organized, and see you in the next video.